Hello guys, welcome back to the Star Tarot. I'm Navneet. Today I'm going to do the review on the Kali Oracle, the freshest grace and supreme protections with the Wild Divine Mother. This is done by Anna Fairchild and this is published by Blue Angel, and the artwork is done by Jimmy Manton. The box is sturdy. I'm so excited and I was waited long to get this deck, desperately to get this deck because the Divine Mother, the Kali, is my mother and I do love her so much. I pray her, I believe her. She's Divine Mother. She give me strength and power. Many times she helped me a lot. I trust her so much and I love her so much. So I'm very excited to do the unboxing of this deck. I just open the wrap now. This is the box, which is sturdy, and there is a calendar and plain paper. Okay, so here is the book of 223 pages, black and white picture, beautiful. Look at this. Look, she's looking so beautiful. I'm so excited to show this oracle and I just love her. And I must say, Anna Fairchild, and I'm quite impressed with the Jimmy. He did the artwork and I'm very thankful to him that he bring the Kali look so beautiful. And let me check the card, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, the box, Blue Angel, still the box is bigger, the cards are small, but I don't never mind if they will change it. Okay, Blue Angel decks are always glossy. I'm impressed it's matte finishing. I'm very impressed that it's matte finishing. Let's talk about the card stock. It's smooth matte finishing. Nice, smooth. She's looking so beautiful. The back is cream, which is not reversible. Okay. And when I watched the Kali Oracle review from many people, I was like, many people was not able to pronounce the names because it's a Hindu goddess. So if anybody wants to know the name and they are confused or maybe they are not able to pronounce right, they can check my channel and know the right names. This is a 44 card deck, matte finishing, yeah, and cardstock is quite good and thick quality, I must say. Let's have a look on it and let me zoom more so everybody can see her beauty here. Okay, so number one is Samshana, very colorful, very beautiful. I'm impressed. Look, I don't want to see all together. I'll show you one of each. Vishwamata. Vishwamata means everybody God. All of God. Kaladhara, she's looking so beautiful. Kali Maya, beautiful. Guna Tantrika. Troma Nagmo, Dakshina, Kali Kapali, Gadga, okay, her sword, Kundalini Shakti, Durga Kalika, Kali Yantra, beautiful artwork. I'm really glad that Jimmy has done such a beautiful artwork. I'm impressed. It's so positive and so powerful. Yoga Shakti. She's looking beautiful. I love this card and this one. Bhadra Kali. Oh my God, I'm falling in love. I will never leave this deck. This will be my most favorite forever oracle. Mahavidya. Look, Mahakali. She's full. Look, she's looking so beautiful. Look at the color. Blue Tara, Lalita Tirupura Sundari. Wow. Sundari means beautiful. Bhuvneshwari. Quite a good quality cardstock. Thick. It's very thick. Nice. Chinnamastha. Chinnamastha is head. Bhairavi Yogini. Dhumavati. Bagla Mukti. I love her. Yeah, she's looking. I'm so impressed that Jimmy and Anna Fairchild has done such a beautiful and gorgeous and tremendous work. I'm falling in love. Matangi. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. Look at Kamala Devi. Fall in love with the artwork. Definitely. I'm impressed. Shodashi. Sri Bala. Sri Bala. Shri you can ask. Pronounce. Goya Kali. Goya Kali. Devi Ma Kali. So beautiful. Nitya Kali. That was her child. What to say? I forget the word. Chamunda. This is her real name. Chamunda. Ma Kali is Chamunda. She drink blood. Kalaratri. Anhata Kali. Kurukula. Actually, these all are Kali. It's a different name of her. She got so many, what to say that word? So many Kalika Tantrika. Artha of Kali. Dharma of Kali. I forget that word, what to say. Her so many. It's the Kali phases of her, I think. I don't know what to express. Kama of Kali. What? Sorry, guys. Moksha of Kali. I'm so excited. That word is not coming on my mind. Mantra Shakti. Krishna. Kali Kalmasa Nasini. Yeah. Gauri Devi. Beautiful. Look at her. I love this one. Bhavatarini. Beautiful. Guys, it's beautiful deck. Sorry about my camera. I'm so excited. Okay, it's a beautiful deck. It's recommended for beginners and professional everyone. Please, I really impressed and I am going to tell everyone to get this deck. It's really beautiful. Kali Oracle. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Let me show you guys how it shuffles. I think it shuffles nice. Yeah. It shuffles. A ruffle shuffle is perfect. You can, yeah. Let me take one card for everyone. What Kali wants to give message for everyone. Kali. What message is for everyone? Let's see. I just felt to take at least one card. I want to. I trust her so much. So the card is Kundalini Shakti. Wow, beautiful. So let's see what she has given about Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini is, everybody knows, the chakra one, Kundalini. Everybody knows about Kundalini, right? Yes. Here is she. Here is the erasing consciousness that evokes instability within, clearing the inner pathways for higher consciousness to manifest. Inner disturbance and instability wrought by Kundalini Shakti is an obscuring grace. Internal disorder is necessary step towards divine recognition. Reassure your heart that no matter what appears to be at a spiritual level, all is well. Outworn energy is being processed and broken apart. from the ashes of your inner fire, you shall emerge anew. Let what needs to happen happen. So when Kundalini Shaktis awaken, everybody knows you will face a spiritual, you will face some, disorders or some step towards divine recognition. You will feel some instability, disturbance, inner disturbance, because you are going in a path of your higher consciousness. So it's very powerful, and no matter it breaks you or whatever it comes from the ashes of your inner fire, she will emerge anew. So let what needs to happen happen, right? It's a beautiful card. I'm impressed. So guys, this is my NFHL Kali Oracle review. Thank you for watching.